Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to go through my top 10 beauty game changers which have transformed me, or helped to transform me in the last year from this to this. Let's jump right in, shall we? Let's see what's in my box. Frizz Central. Ooh. Why don't you try it? Some gel spray for your hair. This stuff is rubber. If you want a real big swoosh at the front, if your hair's just a little bit tacky from that run you went on, and you don't want to wash it every single day because that dries your hair out, pop on a little bit of dry shampoo and you'll be well away. It's my new favourite thing to do. Do you think this brush looks like something an old person would use? But it's springy. It also helps get rid of the frizz. Love it. Doesn't pull, doesn't snag. Oh, the dream of the bouncy brush. It smells great. This is legitimately what I smell like most of the time. I just put it on after I have a bath, my skin's better for it, and I have a nice time. Sometimes I don't rub it in well enough and it like streaks on my arm. I don't really care. Do you want to smell like DITA on TEESE? I think they say like tobacco and a bit smoky and a bit pepperminty, not peppermint, ew. Peppercorn, not peppermint, they just smell like Christmas. These just make me feel good when I put them on and I smell them throughout the day. I just feel good. Let's talk contour, bitches. I have tried so many different contour palettes over the years. I've tried cream, I've tried powder, I've tried the sticks, loads of different things. I like this one because it has a really good mix of colours in it. I would say the ones that I use the most are this one and the darkest one. It stays on your face really well and it lasts quite a long time. You don't need to put that much on. I would really recommend it. Now, I know people talk about makeup brushes, they're so important, they make such a big difference. I think I didn't really listen and just thought, it's just a brush. The first time I ever used these brushes and put that on, I was like, I look like I'm wearing makeup. I think on Christmas Day or Boxing Day I put it on and I was like, I put way too much on my face, it looked real bad. Look at this mess of a gold bar. Charlotte Tilbury gold bars. Even the name is badass. If you want a highlighter that is wow, these are the ones. Charlotte Tilbury lipstick goes on super well. You get really good coverage, doesn't smudge, doesn't get that bleed. You can go for a night out with your lipstick like this and not have to touch it up at all. Oh no, the allure, the magic is gone. This is a little light up magnetic magnifying mirror. And when I got it, I was like, I'm not going to use that. I use it all the time. I use it all the time. It's helped me step up my game. It is what I would call a beauty game changer.